What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is Frontline Investments. Woo! I am so pumped right now, guys. So today I'm going to start with since the only reason you are watching this video right now is because you are invested in Bionano Genomics, okay, in the ticker Bngo. That is why you are here, okay? And I believe it is your duty, to know everything as much as possible about this company because your money is because you are putting your hard-earned money into this company. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys a product that almost nobody is talking about. Okay, you see, this is the Saphyr. Okay, but before the Saphyr, there is a device known as Irys. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Bionano Genomics Irys. Okay, this is Bionano Genomics Irys, and this device is what Bionano Genomics built their platform on. And the only reason you are invested in Bngo right now, I believe, is because Bionano Genomics made Saphyr out of Irys, okay? But this is where it all got started, okay? This device is what Bionano Genomics has been using before 2017. So let's go back to the website. I want to show you guys something. You see, Bionano Genomics is making money from these two sections, I would say. You can see they divide it into two sections, okay? The light blue and the deep blue, okay? And you can see in this section, you have the discovery research, and here you have the clinical research, okay? Here you have cancer, you have genetic diseases, you have genome assembly, and on the clinical research, you have FSHD, and you have cytogenomics, okay? But all this research and discovery, they have one thing in common, and I'm going to show you guys what they have in common and how Bionano Genomics is making money. So let's click on cancer, for example. If you click on the cancer, it takes you to this page, okay? And you can see they have this starting price, this 450 US dollars per genome analysis and blah, 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 blah. You go down, then you come to the product, okay? So when you get to the product, you see you have the Saphyr, you have Bionano chips, and you have Bionano prep kit. But there is something that caught my attention today, and that is Irys. So if you take a look at this prep kit, it means Bionano is still selling Irys, but almost nobody is talking about this product, okay? You can see Irys and Saphyr systems. That is what these prep kits are used for, okay? So let's go back, and I am going to show you guys one more thing. So if you come to these genetic diseases, you can see that Bionano Genomics, when you go down, you go to the product, you can see there is this Irys there also, okay? It means what? They are still selling this system, or they are able to sell this system still. Of course, Saphyr has taken over from Irys, and I'm still going to get to that point, okay? So when you come back and you go to genome assembly, you come down to the product area. In this genome assembly, you can see they have this bed and they have this plant, maize, for example. So you come down to the product, and you can see there is still Irys there, okay? So let's continue. And all these biochips, Saphyr, they are all more or less the same thing. So let's go to the clinical research and see what they have in the FSHD area. So you can see you have this 450 US dollars price also. Then you come down and you come to the product, and of course you can see Irys is still there. Okay, so why am I showing you guys all this? Because I want to make a point, okay? So and the last but not the least, cytogenomics, you come down, you can see, I like this point, 10 times resolution versus karyotyping. That is the work of the amazing Saphyr. But when you come down to the product, you can see they are still able to sell this Irys, okay? So what is Irys? You see, in February 13, 2017, Bionano Genomics, a company focused on genome structural analysis, today announced the global commercial launch of Saphyr. So in February 2017, that is when Bionano Genomics launched the Saphyr system, and that is when Saphyr took over from Irys, okay? And one thing I want to show you guys also is this. This is the Irys, okay? But when you go down a little bit, you can see, built on proprietary Bionano technology, Irys provides whole genome maps at single molecule resolution, ideal for plant and animal research applications. Once again, ideal for plant and animal research applications. So there is a possibility Bionano Genomics is still selling this Irys, and they are selling it only for plant and animal research researchers, okay? So another point I want to make for you guys, another point I'm trying to make also is, When you come to the page of this iris instrument, so let me read this part for you guys. You can see the catalog number of iris is still there, okay? But according to Bionano Genomics, they have discontinued, the iris is discontinued and has been superseded by the Saphyr system. But why is it possible that they are still selling some kits for iris, okay? So that is a question, that is that nobody is asking. The iris instrument directly images intact and labeled genomic DNA, which has been linearized on the iris chip. The iris data can be used for de novo assembly for genome fishing and SV detection. So one thing I want to show you guys again, this is how you load the sample. This is how they load sample in the iris system, okay? This is how you plug it in, and so this page is old, okay? I just dug it out from God knows where. This is an old page of old PDF of Bionano Genomics, and so that is all I wanted to show you guys about iris. I believe Bionano is still selling this device. Of course, Saphyr is better than iris because Saphyr is their latest technology. And but I think if you want to buy this device, it is still possible. So possibly they are still making from this device, and according to what they wrote here, you can see it is ideal for plant and animal research applications. So who knows? I just want to show. So for all of you guys that are wondering what is inside the prep kit, you can see this looks like a sample of prep kit, and this is the thing they are just using to to pass the samples into the device. So that is all about iris, guys. All right, guys, so yesterday was a beautiful day. It was amazing yesterday. We ran up like 11.71% yesterday. It was a beautiful day. We went up like 1.26 Simon. I'm gonna start to call US dollar Simon. So right now the price of Bionano Genomics is up like 3.1%. You can see the price is around 12.40 US dollars, 12.40 Simon, sorry. So market cap is 3.2 billion US dollars. Let's take a look at the technical analysis. All right, guys, so this is the weekly candlestick. Like you guys know, I love starting with the weekly candlestick because you can see the bigger picture of what is going on. And of course, I have my Bngo band added to this chart. So you can see the price is more or less on top of the band, which means the momentum is very strong, okay? So we have right now, the price opened yesterday, on Monday, sorry, around this 11 point something US dollars. And yesterday, we closed big, and we closed around this 12.02 US dollars, as you guys can see. And of course, our target, this is the resistance that we have to take away. We have to take out this resistance, okay? We have it around this 13.80 US dollars. That is where we are headed, guys. We have to take away that resistance for good. So let's take a look at the dailies and see what happened yesterday. So yesterday we opened with a cap up around this 12.50 US dollars, okay? And then we closed red. But right now we can see the price is up a little bit pre-market, which is around this level, around this 12.37 US dollars. It's not as high as where we opened yesterday, but of course it is still positive because this is like almost 3% pre-market. So what should we expect today? As I told you guys from my previous video that the price, I think I'm going to show you clearly in the 4 hours candles. And so for my previous video, when the price was around this level, I told you guys that the price was either going to go sideways or, we are going up. So we went sideways 2 days ago. Then yesterday we opened with a cap up, and today let's see what's going to happen. But I expect us to be going, further towards this 13.75, 13.80 US dollars. I expect us to be going. I mean, it may be red, green, red, red, green, red, green, but that is where I believe we are headed towards during this week, okay? And of course, there is a gap, a little bit gap. We created a gap yesterday when we opened with a cap up, and as you guys know, gaps are mostly filled, okay? So you have to have an open mind. So it's either we get to this top and the price comes down, or we get to the top and we finally break it, and then we continue our journey upward. Because as you can see, when you go to the 1 hour candles, and so here yesterday when we opened, the price came down a little bit, which closed that gap a little bit. you know, it's more or less, this gap is more or less a little bit closed on the 1 hour candlestick. If you go to the 30 minutes, of course, you can easily say up to this level, the gap is, you know, 50% of the gap was closed yesterday. So yesterday I told my private members, you know, I told them, you know, whenever something open with a cap up, you have to expect it to come down a little bit, you know, shaking out all the weak hands. Then you can see the rally is going to continue in that upward or downward direction. So that is what happened yesterday. The price came down a little bit, shaked out a little weak hands. You know, I am a diamond hand, I am holding. So some weak hands were shaken out yesterday on opening, and we can see the price seems to be continuing on the upward trajectory. So this is what I'm expecting, guys. I expect the price to keep going higher, of course, in green red candles, and we will see if we successfully take out this resistance around this level. That is a beautiful news for us. If not, we are going to form a double top, and the price is going to attempt to come down. So I hope we take out this resistance so that we can turn it into support. So that is what I am expecting today, guys. You know, I mean, I share a lot of information about this chart with my private group members on Discord. I'm going to leave a link below. If you want to join my Patreon, you can easily join it, and you can have much more information than what I am sharing right here, because, you know, YouTube video is very limited to, I mean, I cannot make a video of 1 hour, so I have to always keep it simple here, okay? But as you guys can see, we went up, consolidated, up, consolidated, up, consolidated, and of course we are heading back up now. Then I think around this level we can see a little bit consolidation again, or we just break it and we continue to go up. So that is all for today, guys. The price is up pre-market 3.3% right now. I remain your boy Dio. This is Franklin Investment. If you are not yet following me on Twitter, you can find me on Bonus Level Fund, okay? Don't tell yourself. Every day I post amazing updates on my Twitter, okay? So have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.